finally here for the truck. Oof, my God. Let's get these things loaded so I can get out of here. Oh my God, I'm in love. I was kind of scared with the tire size, but it's perfect. So we're here working on the Escalade. I've already done so much. We're lifting it. Got all those removed. This guy right here. Soon the truck's gonna be lifted. Got the 24 by 14.
What we're doing here is right now for the kit, it asked to cut this bump stop because obviously the control arm is going to come at a more angle coming down at a different degree. So obviously he's going to be riding on that bump stop if we don't cut it. He's just going to be banging on it. So obviously we got to remove that and cut it off and clean it up nicely. And then we got Frankie's friend over there taking off the other side lower control arm. We got to remove both lower control arms because obviously with the new stuff frame, it drops them down. Obviously to give it that lift and that angle. And then yeah, we're just gonna keep going from there and keep moving, keep going forward with it. Frankie, but look at the wheel sitting, and I have to lift up the car way higher to put the fucking tire on.
Yeah. But it's gonna...
Oh my God. Ready?
Stressing it out too much and we can't get it aligned because of that ball joint. We're gonna put these, which it came with 2 of them, and it'll be more like this instead of it like being stressing it out. And then also got these 1-inch spacers for the rear because with trucks the rear always tucks in a little bit more and then the front sticks out more, so it just looks funky. Let's get it. arms, and now we're gonna go ahead and get it aligned until I could go to an alignment shop. This is what we have so far. What a difference. Go ahead and put some grease. You can tell already, before it was so stressed on the control arm. Now it's perfectly even, so it's easier to align it. So I'm gonna show you the finished product. We still have a lot to do, but this is so far that it's drivable. I just need an alignment that I'm gonna get on this Tuesday from 4-wheel drive to off-roading alignment shop, and they're always super busy. So Tuesday I have an appointment, but so far the truck drives great.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. Hey. Back in that, yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets. Just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Damn, she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah, yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going?
Hey, back in that bag again. Don't bring me around your friends. You know that I'm bagging them. Request me on Facebook, no, I ain't adding them. Positions I had her in. Hit from the back, that pussy was splattering. Calling her friend, tell her pull up. Word, let's make it a gathering. They
I
loving
said, baby, nah, I'm addict now, but she loving the splash again. I just be cashing in her buns, just like a wedding, I'm crashing in. Hundreds on hundreds, I'm moving and grooving. She wanna cut up, I'ma slash again. Buckets on buckets, I'm switching and dishing. Back in my bag, going back again.
I feel like Aladdin, yeah. I'm on the carpet, flying through orbits, ain't doing no talking. Wow. They on my body as soon as I walk in, bitches be stalking. They loving the drip, they think I'm a force, it gotta move cautious. Back in my duffel, I'm working a double like I'm in the office.
Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets. Just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Damn, she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah, yeah. Oh, say less.